LeakTronics, the leader in electronic listening equipment for professional leak detection, offers the equipment necessary for superior subsurface leak detection in the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit. The Plumbers Leak Detection Kit is designed to accurately identify leaks anywhere on a customer's property, under soil and concrete, in walls, under floors, and more. With the included deck plate and pipe probe, finding leaks in buried plumbing lines is easy. The deck plate offers extreme sensitivity for listening under slabs and concrete. Its wide surface is unencumbered by hindrances like rubber rings or pronged feet. The entire surface of the deck plate offers a powerful listening potential that hears where leaks occur with precision and accuracy. It reduces the invasive damage made to break concrete and make repairs. By isolating the exact location where a leak occurs, repairs can be made without digging up long lengths of pipe to find where the break is and make repairs. The pipe probe is a versatile piece of equipment that allows users to touch on pipes, stub-ups, valve handles, and angle stops with ease for finding what lines are leaking. It's designed to hear pipes under soil, loose aggregate, and landscaping. With the power to listen upwards of 6 feet or more underground, finding leaks between the meter and the house, throughout the yard, or anywhere that plumbing runs throughout the building is easy. The pipe probe is ergonomically designed to allow users to detect leaks outside of a property or to get under sinks, behind toilets, and household equipment to hear the exact location where water is escaping a pipe. Its versatility makes repairs precise and restoration work simple. The subsurface capability of the Plumbers Kit is just part of what plumbers use daily to find customers' leaks. The LT1000 amplifier, soft-sided listening disc, and pressure rig, also included in the Plumbers Kit, all work to give plumbers complete control when finding leaks so they can get to repairs without relying on someone else to do the leak detection. Learn more today by visiting LeakTronics.com and get the Plumbers Kit to add leak detection to your list of available services today, and stop turning your customers over to outside service companies to perform jobs you can get paid for.